Master presentation skills in 2 minutes. Are you nervous about speaking in front of public? So don't you worry. I will tell you. Begin with a smile and a good greeting. You can say in the beginning, "Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being with me," or "Thank you for being here." Then clearly introduce yourself and means your name and your topic. Topic should be very clearly pronounced. You can say like, "My name is Rifat and today I will talk about time management." Let me tell you, a confident start sets the tone for successful presentation. Now I am going to guide you how to structure your presentation. So you have to divide your presentation into three different parts. The first part is introduction, then main body, and the last one is your conclusion. Let me tell you, in your introduction, tell what you are going to discuss. And in the main body, you will tell the main ideas with examples. Now I will tell you about useful body language. Let me tell you, your body speaks before your words. So it is very important to focus on your entire body from head to toe. So you have to stand very tall and quite relax and maintain your eye contact because it is very important to show your confidence and to interact with the people who are watching and ready to listen to you. Then next is you have to use very natural speaking style and your hand gestures and the facial expressions. These things are very important. If you will present your presentation like a robot or statue, it is not going to give you any positive response, especially from the audience side. So avoid reading slides. For example, if your speaking style would be only the reading, no natural tone, no natural pauses, only a monotone means a single tone you are presenting it, so it means you are robotic. So talk to your audience with some questions as well. Make your presentation interactive. And let me tell you, confidence shown through your posture. Is it not just your words? So you have to take care of your body language, which is very important. Now I will tell you how you can make a good end of your presentation. First of all, you have to practice, practice, and practice because practice is the key to success and confidence. So, what you are going to do, you have to rehearsal in front of a mirror or record yourself. In this way, you will become more fluent, natural, and confident as well. So, you have to end your presentation definitely with the good impacts. So, you can speak these lines, for example, "That's all from my side. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for having me." And a strong closing leaves a lasting impression on your audiences. Remember, great speakers are made, not born. So you have to keep practicing, keep improving, and you will shine one day on the stage. So never give up. Like, share, and subscribe for more English communication tips.